Have you ever wondered what kind of strange worlds exist beyond our solar system? In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our solar system is but a single thread. Beyond it, in the celestial sea, lie exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars other than our sun. The past few decades have seen the discovery of thousands of these celestial bodies, each unique and intriguing in their own right. Some of these worlds are so bizarre they defy our understanding of planetary science. Imagine a place where molten lava flows across the surface, not unlike a blacksmith's fiery forge, or a gas giant, a behemoth with rings that dwarf those of Saturn. There are even worlds subjected to weather conditions so extreme they are beyond anything we could ever experience on Earth. Such is the wonder of the universe, the infinite expanse, ever full of surprises and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to the top 10 weirdest exoplanets discovered so far. At number 10, we have Gliese 436b, a planet that defies the laws of physics. Nestled in the constellation Leo, roughly 33 light-years away from us, Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet that stands out for its peculiar characteristics. One of the first things you'll notice about Gliese 436b is its close proximity to its star. This planet is located a mere 4 million kilometers from its star. That's about 14 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Given this proximity, you might expect a molten, lava-covered surface. Instead, Gliese 436b offers us a surprise. Despite its surface temperature reaching up to 800 degrees Celsius, the planet is covered in ice. Yes, you heard it right, a sizzling ice cube floating in space. How is that possible, you might ask? Well, it's all about the pressure. The planet's high gravitational force keeps water in an exotic form known as hot ice or ice-X. It's a state of water that we don't encounter on Earth, where water molecules are arranged in a kind of cubic structure, remaining solid despite the intense heat. As if these features weren't strange enough, Gliese 436b also has an unusual comet-like tail. This is caused by its atmosphere, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, slowly evaporating away into space. So that's Gliese 436b, a scorching ice cube in space. Next up, at number 9, is 55 Cancri e, a planet made of diamonds. Imagine a world that glitters more than any jewel on Earth. That's 55 Cancri e for you. This exoplanet is a fascinating celestial body, one that's captured the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Why the buzz? Well, it's not every day you come across a planet that's potentially 1/3 pure diamond. Yes, you heard that right. Not just a few sparkly pebbles, but a whole planet composed largely of diamond and graphite. But don't let the allure of the precious stones fool you. Life as we know it wouldn't survive a second on this exotic world. The surface temperatures on 55 Cancri e reach a scorching 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that into perspective, that's hot enough to melt steel. This diamond planet is twice the size of Earth and 8 times as heavy, making it a super-Earth. It orbits its star, 55 Cancri, so closely that a year there lasts just 18 hours. Yes, 18 hours. And here's another mind-boggling fact. The star that 55 Cancri e orbits is visible to the naked eye. So who knows, maybe on a clear night you're looking at a diamond in the sky. So 55 Cancri e, the diamond planet, takes the 9th spot. Our number 8 is HD 189733b, a planet where it rains glass sideways. Imagine a world where, instead of water, it's shards of glass that come down from the sky. And not just falling straight down, mind you, but blown sideways by howling winds that exceed 2 kilometers per second. Welcome to HD 189733b. This gas giant, similar to Jupiter in our own solar system, is located 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. Now, why is it blue? You might think it's because of water, like our Earth, but you'd be wrong. Spectroscopic analysis of HD 189733b's atmosphere has revealed that its striking azure color comes from a rain of molten glass. Yes, you heard it right, molten glass. This isn't a world you'd want to visit without some serious protective gear. HD 189733b orbits its host star at a blisteringly close distance, causing its temperature to soar to over 1,000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat, combined with the planet's fast rotation, creates extreme weather conditions and gives rise to its infamous glass rainstorms. Such conditions are so alien to us, yet they highlight the incredible diversity of exoplanets in our galaxy. Each one is a new world with its own unique quirks and characteristics. They challenge our understanding of what a planet can be and remind us of the endless wonders that lie beyond our own celestial neighborhood. HD 189733b, a world with a deadly forecast, secures the 8th spot. At number 7, we have TRES 2b, the darkest known planet in the universe. TRES 2b isn't your average exoplanet. It's nestled in the constellation Draco, some 750 light-years away from our home. But what makes TRES 2b truly stand out is its unusual complexion. This gas giant is darker than coal, with an albedo, a measure of reflectivity, that's less than 1%. To put that into perspective, it's like looking at a piece of black velvet in the darkest night you can imagine. This exoplanet doesn't have reflective clouds like those we see on Jupiter or Saturn, which is quite uncommon for gas giants. But what could cause such a dark appearance? Scientists believe it's due to the absence of reflective clouds coupled with the presence of light-absorbing chemicals in its atmosphere. These chemicals, possibly including vaporized sodium and potassium or gaseous titanium oxide, absorb light from its nearby star, giving TRES 2b its distinct dark character. Interestingly, TRES 2b isn't completely black. It has a faint red glow similar to a heating element in a toaster, which is caused by its extreme temperature. This gas giant is a scorching hot world with temperatures reaching more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. So there you have it, a planet darker than the blackest coal, hotter than molten lava, and nestled in a far corner of our universe. That's TRES 2b, the darkest planet, at number 7. Number 6 on our list is WASP-12b, a planet that's being eaten by its own star. Imagine a world caught in a cosmic tug of war, slowly being devoured by the very star it orbits. This is the reality for WASP-12b, a gas giant located approximately 1,400 light-years away from us in the constellation Auriga. This unfortunate planet is locked in a death dance with its parent star, WASP-12. WASP-12b is what we call a hot Jupiter, a type of exoplanet that's similar in characteristics to our own Jupiter but orbits very close to its star. But what sets WASP-12b apart from other hot Jupiters is just how close it is to its star. So close, in fact, that the gravitational forces of the star are pulling it apart. This celestial body is so close to its star that it takes just a little over 1 Earth day to complete an orbit. Because of this proximity, the star's gravity distorts WASP-12b into an egg shape and pulls material off the planet onto the star. It's a slow, inevitable process of destruction that's been going on for millions of years. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. The unique circumstances of WASP-12b provide valuable insights for us. Studying this planet helps us understand the diverse range of exoplanets out there and the dynamic, often violent cosmic ballet that shapes them. WASP-12b, a planet living on borrowed time, takes the 6th spot. Halfway through, at number 5, we have PSR J1719-1438b, a planet with an origin like no other. Now, when we think of planets, we usually imagine celestial bodies that have formed from the leftover dust and gas not used up in the creation of their parent star. But PSR J1719-1438b didn't follow that common path. No, it took a detour. Originally a star, this cosmic body underwent a metamorphosis that rivals any science fiction plot. It began its existence as a massive star, much larger than our own sun, but over time it lost its outer layers. You see, it's in a binary star system, and its companion, a pulsar, siphoned off its outer layers. As this happened, the star shrunk, losing its stellar status and instead becoming a planet, but not just any planet. This is a crystallized one, primarily made up of oxygen and carbon. And if you think that's impressive, hold on to your hats, folks, because scientists believe that the pressure within this planet is so intense that the carbon has formed into diamond. Imagine that, a planet-sized diamond twinkling away in the vastness of space. If you're a fan of bling, this might just be your dream destination. PSR J1719-1438b, the star-turned-planet, takes the 5th spot. At number 4, we have GJ 1214b, a planet covered entirely with water. Welcome to GJ1214b, an exoplanet that challenges our very notions of what a planet can be. It's often referred to as a water world, and for a good reason. Picture a planet entirely enveloped in water where oceans don't just cover the surface, but extend deep into the planet's interior. GJ1214b is located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus. It's a bit bigger than Earth, a classification that places it in the super-Earth category. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's Earth-like. Its surface and atmosphere are anything but familiar. This planet has a thick, steamy atmosphere, and it's not the kind of steam you'd enjoy in a sauna. It's extremely dense and hot, likely creating a strange and exotic form of water ice called ice sevens, which exists only under extreme pressure conditions. The temperatures and pressures on GJ1214b are so extreme that scientists believe it could give rise to a whole new class of water-rich planets. It's an alien world that stretches our understanding of the universe and redefines the boundaries of what we consider a planet. What's fascinating about GJ1214b is how different it is from any planet in our solar system, providing us with invaluable insights into the vast and diverse universe that lies beyond our cosmic neighborhood. So GJ1214b, the water world, is at number 4. In third place is Kepler-16b, a planet where you'd witness a double sunset. Imagine a world where, as the day ends, you look up to see not one but two suns sinking below the horizon. That's the spectacle you'd experience on Kepler-16b, an exoplanet located about 200 light-years away from us. This extraordinary planet orbits a pair of stars in what we call a binary star system. Picture two celestial bodies bound by gravity, dancing around each other in a cosmic ballet. Kepler-16b follows an almost circular path around these two stars, making for an incredible sight in the sky. But what would life be like on Kepler-16b, you ask? Well, it's a gas giant, similar to Saturn in terms of size, so it's unlikely that it hosts life as we know it. The surface, if it can be called that, would be a swirling mass of gases, with temperatures that could freeze you solid. And yet the vision of twin sunsets remains captivating. It's a scene straight out of science fiction. In fact, you might remember it from the iconic double sunset scene in Star Wars on Luke Skywalker's home planet, Tatooine. But unlike Tatooine, Kepler-16b is not a desert world, but a cold gas giant. Kepler-16b, the planet of double sunsets, takes the third spot. In second place is HD106906b, a planet that shouldn't exist. This exoplanet, sitting at a staggering 11 times the mass of Jupiter, is an anomaly that has left scientists scratching their heads. Imagine a planet that orbits its star at a distance over 20 times the space that separates our Sun and Neptune. That's the extraordinary reality of HD106906b. The planet's far-flung orbit isn't its only peculiarity. The mystery of how this gas giant came to be also baffles astronomers. Traditional planetary formation theories falter when applied to HD106906b. Such theories suggest planets close to their stars form from a disk of dust and gas surrounding a young star. But this doesn't explain how a planet could form so far from its host star. Could this planet have formed closer to its star and then been flung out into its current orbit? Or perhaps it formed from a binary star system where one star was ejected. These are some of the questions that scientists are grappling with. HD106906b is not only a testament to the vast diversity of exoplanets, but also a reminder of the myriad mysteries that the universe still holds. It challenges our understanding of planetary formation and provokes us to think beyond the confines of our current knowledge. HD106906b, the planet that defies explanation, lands in second place. Finally, at number 1, we have the most bizarre of them all, rogue planets. These celestial bodies take eccentricity to a whole new level. Unlike their more conventional counterparts, rogue planets don't orbit any star. They are the nomads of the cosmos, endlessly drifting through the chilly void of space. Imagine a planet just like Earth or Mars, but instead of basking in the warmth of a star, it wanders alone in the pitch-black universe. This is the reality for rogue planets. They are orphans, ejected from the system they were born in, left to roam the vast expanse of space. The concept of rogue planets is nothing short of fascinating. These bodies have the potential to harbor life, albeit in a very different form from what we know. The lack of sunlight means that any life would have to adapt to extreme cold and perpetual darkness. Yet despite these harsh conditions, the possibility exists. Rogue planets, however, are not just interesting for their potential to host life. Their existence challenges our understanding of planetary formation and dynamics. They question the very concept of a planet. Must a planet always orbit a star? Or can it exist freely, unbound by the gravitational pull of a stellar body? Rogue planets, the wanderers of the universe, take the top spot in our list of weirdest exoplanets. They are a testament to the boundless diversity and intriguing mysteries that make the cosmos such a captivating place to explore. And that, dear viewers, was a tour of the top 10 weirdest exoplanets discovered so far. From the fiery inferno of Gliese 436b to the diamond rain of PSR J1719-1438b, we've journeyed through a cosmic spectacle of the bizarre and the extraordinary. We've glimpsed the pitch-black darkness of TRES 2b, marveled at the dual sunsets on Kepler 16b, and contemplated the lonely drift of rogue planets through the cold expanse of space. Each of these worlds is a testament to the boundless wonders of our universe and a reminder of just how much we have yet to learn. They invite us to question, to explore, to broaden our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. So let's continue to seek, to wonder, and to discover, for the universe is vast and filled with mysteries yet untold. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other strange worlds we might discover. Until then, keep looking up. As we come to the end of this cosmic journey, we urge you to remember that every like, comment, and share enables us to keep creating content that takes you across the vast expanse of the universe. If you've learned something new from this interstellar adventure, we encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and share your newfound knowledge in the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future explorations. The universe is immense and we've only scratched the surface, so do share this video with your friends and family and ask them to join us in this quest discovery. Together we'll unravel the fascinating secrets of our universe and perhaps spark the curiosity of the next generation of astronomers, astrophysicists, and dreamers. Remember, all monumental journeys start with a simple action, in our case, a click. So until we meet again in our next adventure, keep exploring, keep asking, and most importantly, keep your eyes towards the sky.